Raise your hand if you've spent thousands on so-called AI leads only to get a list of dead-end contacts. I tested 1,000 leads from tools like Clay and Apollo, and the results will shock you. Most AI lead gen is just glorified data scraping, wasting your ad budget and killing your pipeline. Stick around to discover how to find real high-intent B2B buyers in 2025 with true AI lead generation. My name is Tony Konig. I'm the founder of Konig Digital and the scaling founder. And I've helped B2B companies like P2P Dental Connect and Acumen Zone double their pipelines by cutting through the noise of bad leads. Over the past 5 years, we've audited over 500 B2B tech stacks and tested every major lead gen tool. Clay, Apollo, you name it. Our smart lead system delivers 89% prediction accuracy compared to the industry's 23%. Today, I'll share what I found testing 1,000 leads and how you can stop wasting budget on fake AI. Here's the hard truth. If you keep buying into hyped up AI lead tools, you're burning cash. The average B2B founder wastes $15,000 a year on low quality leads that never convert. Long sales cycles, 6 to 12 months, get longer when you're chasing contacts, not buyers. Without intent leads or intent-driven leads, your team's stuck in a cycle of frustration and your competitors. They closing deals while you are still sorting through your junk data. Well, let's break down the AI deception. Most tools like Clay and Apollo scrape static data. Emails, job titles, maybe a LinkedIn profile. But 90% of these leads aren't ready to buy. They're just names in a database. I tested 1,000 leads from these platforms and only 7% showed any purchase intent. That's a 93% failure rate. Why? Because they lack real-time intent signals. Data showing who's actively searching for your solution. Without intent, you're spamming, you're not selling. So you may be asking, what is a high-intent lead? Well, it's someone who's already down your sales funnel, searching for solutions like yours, visiting relevant websites, or engaging on platforms like LinkedIn. Our smart lead system, built on Konig Digital's white label platform, uses advanced filtering, job titles, company revenue, even social media behavior to find these buyers. Oh, and did I mention triple verified phone numbers? We refresh data daily and triple verify contact info, so you're not calling dead numbers. If you test smart leads, in our test, smart leads had an 89% prediction accuracy, meaning 9 out of 10 were ready to talk business. So here's how we stack up. Clay requires hours of technical setup, API keys, integration, you name it. You almost need to be a tech guru to set it up. Apollo's better for startups, but lacks mid-market flexibility. Both deliver bloated lists with low intent. Konig Digital's smart leads are plug and play, launch in 2 weeks, with intent signals refreshed daily, like fresh bread, daily. At a $7 million SaaS fund, we worked with Ditch Clay and saw their pipeline double in 60 days. So here is your action plan. Step one, book a free Smart Lead demo with Tony at Konig Digital. We'll show you how we find buyers 72 hours before your competition. Step two is claim your 20 free smart leads, yes, free, to test our system. And step three is use our white label CRM to close deals faster. Stop wasting budget on fake AI. Take control of your pipeline today. Seriously, don't let another junk lead waste your time. Click the link below to book your free Smart Leads demo and get 20 free high intent leads tailored to your business. And if you want to dig deeper, download our 7-day targeting action plan to learn the 5 signals that closes 90% of deals. And while you are here, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and you'll get more of our B2B growth hacks. And let's make this year and 2026 your dream year to dominate. I'll see you in the demo and keep on scaling.